Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video, telling you about the first most important step that you should be taking if you really want to succeed online. And if you don't have this, no matter how much efforts you put to build your website, create products, everything will be a huge disaster. It happened for me in my first 3 years where I did not make a single dime online. And if you don't follow this process, it will be a huge pain, in the wrong place to get started. So I'm just shooting out this video from my home office, and it's a late evening today. So and the video is really unprofessional, but I want to get to you a single point which, if you take it and you apply it, it can actually change your entire career. So the first important step is that the first thing you should be realizing if you want to build an online business is that you have to get out of your comfort zone. Okay, because building an online business might not be an easy task. Okay, even though it is simple, but it might not be an easy task. So the first thing you have to do is you have to change your habits, you have to change your mental programming. Okay, you have to get out of your comfort zone. So if you are doing a job, you might be really comfortable at your job, and building an online business might not sound very exciting to you. So the first thing you have to realize that is that you have to get out of your comfort zone, and you have to really be focused in building online business, and to make your mental programming change, to change your habit patterns so that you can focus in building online business. The first thing that I will recommend is to, I've learned all this from a book called Think and Grow Rich. And as Tony Robbins, he's a wonderful self improvement coach. As he said that having success in anything in life is 20% mechanics and 80% mindset. Okay, that simply means is that 80% is your mindset if you want to really be successful, and 20% is just mechanics, like, all the theories, all the systems of how to build products and website and everything. All this is mechanics, but 80% is mindset. And the first step to build your mindset is to have a burning desire. Okay, the first step to having a killer mindset is to have a burning desire. Okay, that's the why. Okay, the why part of why you want to build an online business. Okay, so if your answer is that you want to make more money or you want to make $10,000 per month, that will not really, give you that kind of motivation. So the burning desire is something that, you know drives you really crazy, and makes you put everything aside and completely and exclusively focus, on your online business. And it could be, that why part could be something really an emotional part within you. Okay, that is driving you to build an online business. And according to me, for me, the most important and the driving motion was, to have complete freedom. Okay, freedom from my job and freedom of time limitations, so that I could, the thing is that I never wanted to go out for a job. I did job for my first 2 years of my life, and I wanted to quit my job and I wanted to work from home, from the comfort of the home, whenever and, wherever I want. And I wanted to make money on complete automation. And the most important way for me to do this was to build an online business. And this was my absolute strong motivation, this was my burning desire when I got started online. And you have to find your own desire that drives you all day long. It's a why part of why you want to build an online business. And when you have that burn inside you, it is the foundation that will, make you take action. It will make you move ahead. Okay, to build your online business. And secondly, it will help you to focus exclusively in building your online business. And if you don't have a strong why, a strong reason to build your online business, a strong reason to make money on the internet, whatever that amount may be, you will not be persistent enough to stick to building online business. So the most important key is to build a why. Okay, that's the most important key. Now that will help you to focus exclusively in building online business. Okay, so that is what should be within you. That is the first step of success. And I have not made up all this. I have read books like Think and Grow Rich and some real excellent books. Read Think and Grow Rich if you have not read it, because it will give you the motivation to really succeed online if you have not yet started. Okay, and currently I'm building a website on health and skincare. Okay, health, skincare, bodybuilding. So my why part is so strong that to build a bodybuilding website, I actually joined a gym before 3 months, and I'm exclusively focusing on muscle building, so that I can actually focus. I can get my clients to understand that how they can build a good physique. Okay, and if you'll notice, I have made I've actually made my biceps. If you'll have a look, it's 18 biceps, okay, that I have actually focused in doing it in last few months. And if I get these results and put it in front of my clients, okay, then they will have an exclusive confidence that I know my stuff. And the reason I could put in so much efforts, because I have a strong why, I have a strong reason, I have a strong desire to build my online business. Okay, so I want you to have your own why, your own strong reason before you move ahead to build your online business. And there are other success principles that you should be having inbuilt within you, which I'll be sharing with you in the next coming videos. Okay, so in the next few days, focus yourself exclusively and finding out the reason why you want to get started with the online business. And once you have the reason, you will put in all the efforts and energy that is required to build a solid online business from scratch. And if you like the content that you are watching in these videos, I would suggest you to click on the link right below and check out one of my training products, and it will help you to systematically build your online business and also build your mindset. Okay, that was a pretty unprofessional video which I shooted late evening at my home office, and this is a bit more professional video I thought of shooting. And I wanted to, you know without letting go of the unprofessionality of the video, make sure that you take that single point which I told you, that is the why factor. Okay, the why factor that you should be building in your subconscious mind before you even get started with your online business. Okay, so you must have a burning desire. I'm not very good at drawing, but let's try it out. So you should be having a burning desire to build your online business. This is the first step. Okay, so take some time. Okay, take down a book and pen and write it down. Why do you want to build an online business? What is the emotional aspect? Okay, what is the most burning thing within you that you want to achieve, and due to that you want to build an online business so that you can get some revenue out of it and you can achieve your dream. So it could be freedom, it could be you want to give your kids better education, or probably it could be something like you want a new car, okay, a new house, or probably you are abroad somewhere and you want to stay with your family, okay, so that you can live with your family and make a comfortable income from home. So it could be anything. So find out the why, okay, and write it down in your book. Okay, maintain a book so that you can actually, it's called a workbook, a mindset workbook, so that you can actually look at it over and over again, and you can keep building, you can keep putting the blocks in the puzzle. Okay, it's a huge puzzle. To build your mindset is a huge puzzle, and you have to keep putting all these things which I'm giving you right now in your mindset workbook, so that you can fine tune your mindset and you can keep building that motivation and the desire, okay, the fire which is required to move you towards your end goal. And when you have this, you will be persistent enough to stick towards your goal, no matter how many problems you face along the way. Because problems are inevitable, whether you do anything in life, okay, even you do a simple business or an online business, problems are inevitable. So there will be number of problems on the way, and the only way that you can fight with those problems and you can stick to it, you can stick to your end goal when you have these, when you have these puzzles into place, when you have these mindset blocks into place. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you all this in the next few videos. So create a mindset workbook and write down all these things. The first thing is you should be having the why factor. The next thing which is really important is that you have to focus on a big goal. It should be a big purpose, okay? A big purpose. And the next thing is that it should be definite purpose. Okay, so the goal should be big. Okay, so let's say you are earning right now $1,000 per month, and so write down something like you want to achieve $10,000 per month so that you can achieve your why factor. Okay, so write it down in your mindset workbook. What kind of goal you want to achieve? It should be a big goal and it should be definite. Okay, don't keep jumping from one goal to another. Okay, just because your first goal was a bit difficult or you could not achieve it. If you keep jumping from one goal to another, you don't have focus, and when you don't have focus, you will not achieve anything. Okay, whatever you focus on, it expands. Keep this in mind. Okay, whatever you focus on, whether a positive thing, a negative thing, a business or anything, it expands. Okay, and you start getting ideas to achieve. That's something where you are putting all your focus and energy. So you should have a definite focus to achieve your big goal. Okay, so this is very important. And the next thing you have to keep in mind is that you should have one goal at a time. Okay, see, you can have multiple goals. Okay, you can think about let's say you can think about putting up a website in skincare niche, you can think about putting a website in internet marketing niche, in a golf niche, and you can put up 10 different websites in multiple niches. So that is absolutely possible, and putting up a website does not take any time. But the fact is that if you have one goal, that is one big goal to achieve, what happens is that your mind starts working on it, and then if you give a certain amount of time to that goal, you become the best. Okay, so for example I gave you is that I am going into a bodybuilding niche, so I am putting all my efforts for the first year to build my own physique. Okay, so I'm putting all my energy out there, and when I have a good physique, okay, I have something to show off, then probably I can put up a bodybuilding website, and then people will trust me enough to purchase my videos, purchase my products and services and whatever I recommend. So the first thing is that I am having one big goal to achieve. Okay, and when I have this, I'm putting all my energy for next 12 months to achieve that one big goal. Okay, I'm putting my time, I'm doing exercise every day, I'm teaming up with bodybuilders, I'm creating articles, I'm making an investment, I'm putting my website, I'm getting good at each and every aspect of it, so that I can create a valuable website, an asset, so that I can show off to people and I can sell my products and I can give good value out of my website. So this is really important. Okay, you should have one big goal and focus all your energy to achieve that goal. Okay, so in this video, the main thing that I wanted to let you know is you should have a why, you should have a big definite purpose to focus on. Okay, and you should have one big purpose at a time. Achieve that, then move on to something else. Okay, this is very important. And if you have read Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill suggests that you keep a card in your pocket and write down the date when you want to achieve the goal and write down your big goal. Okay, take a card, a nice card, attractive card, write this down, write down the date when you want to achieve your big goal and the big goal on the card, laminate it and carry it with you, and whenever you get time, read it, continuously, okay, whenever you get time, okay, while you're traveling or you're just setting off, you're doing nothing, just look at the card and read it. And when you do this, what happens is that your goal is burned in your subconscious mind, and you get motivated to achieve it. Okay, so this is very important. And one thing is for sure, that if you read a lie over and over again, you feel that it is truth. Okay, so if you read your goal over and over again, you will feel that you have already achieved it. So this is how the subconscious mind works. So I don't have much time to get into detail as to how subconscious mind works. That we can cover it in the later videos, but for now keep this in mind, that if you read a lie over and over again, you will feel that it is a truth. So read your goal over and over again, and you will feel that you have already achieved it. So keep that card in your pocket, read it over and over again whenever you get time. Do all this, and when you have your mindset built, okay, then you can purchase my training products, or you can get someone else's training products, and then take that information, take that 20% mechanics. Okay, as I said, 80% is psychology, 80% success is psychology, and 20% is mechanics. When you have built 80% of your psychology, that is the mindset, then take some training, take that 20% part, and then execute it, and you will achieve success. Okay, so this was the major factor that stopped me to achieve my goals, and I don't want my subscribers and my visitors to face the same problems. Okay, so make sure that you actually apply what I've given you right now, and your road towards success, the road towards building a successful online business, will become super easy. Okay, so there are many more success principles that I want to share with you based on my experiences, and I'll be publishing new videos and sending out emails. So make sure you stay subscribed, and I'll give you more valuable stuff later on. So with this, I'll end up this video. And by the way, if you are looking for more excellent stuff and more excellent content, make sure you check out my training product right below this video. Click on the link and you will be taken to one of my training products, which will show you how you can build a successful online business, and my training will show you how you can build a powerful mindset to achieve success. With this, I'll end up this video, and take care. Goodbye.